Hello guys, so it is the live reaction about the chapter 76 of manga Shingeki no Kyojin. So its name is The Thunder Squad. Now recruits take the remaining horses to the west side, protect the recruits in Squad Duck. I think the Squad Duck is the horses, they kept horses. Now where Marlow? Where do we tie up the horses? I think tie up the horses. Our orders are to not have all the horses stop in the same place. Not here more. So there 2 4-meter class Titan from the east incoming. Oh, so Titans are coming. They have to save the all horses. Now so that's a Titan. Oh, that guy. He saw first time Titan. Wow, that's nice. Oh, two titans at a time. Who's this guy? I think it's Erwin. Yeah, he's look like Erwin. Oh, Levi, Captain Levi. It is the Captain Levi, man. He cut 2 titans at a time. Yes. Now our chance. Hurry. So horse squad is running. Means the death squad. Hurry up. So Levi saying, hurry up and take care of those runs before the Bestial Titan starts moving. Oh, I don't know which Bestial Titans. Oh, it's a new type of Titan. Yeah. I am not having any losses here. Not a single one of you is allowed to die. So we don't want to lose anyone here. Yes, it's like we have responsibility. So now damn it, what would let down? The weak ones die so fast. I hate weaklings. Oh, he hates weaklings. Is the great one. So he is the Erwin. Wow. So he is in the Eren's home village. Now Erwin saying I am seeing men struggle again. 3 to 4-meter class Titans. We have multiple casualties. So already they have casualties. Yes. When the survey corps go out, there are half which cannot return to home. Survey corps now doesn't have the strength it once had. Yes. They lost lot of when the any kill lot of men. But without all of those losses, we would have never made it to where we stand today. Yes. You didn't want to die. You are like me. Your life is more important to you than the fate of humanity. Oh, what is you saying, Commander? Now, oh, this is Erwin's flashback. When I was in the training corps, I used to tell my friends about the theory my father and I had. Yes, the theory which the humans are titans. That Erwin's father think, and it's the truth. How intelligent his father is. I thought I did prove it when I joined the survey corps. But as soon as I become a corpsman, I stopped talking about it for some reason. No, that's not it. Not for some reason. Because I realized something. Ooh, what you realize, Erwin? I was the only one fighting for my own sake. Everyone else had devoted everything they had for the sake of humanity. I alone had dreams of my own. Before I knew it, I had subordinates under my command. I spoke words of inspiration to my comrades. I told them to devote their hearts to humanity. You are a man, Erwin. I like you so much. That's how I fool my friends, fool myself, and build this mountain of corpse. Oh, you like here? So why so much survey corps are died and titans are eating them? So tragic. I now stand on. What is this? Oh my god. What is this? What is this? Corpse. The mountain of corpse. And yet thoughts of the basement keep coming back to me. You want to go to the basement of the Eren's house. Even if this plan fails, I still may be able to go there before I die. the basement that Grisha Eager left behind, the truth behind this world. So here we got our hero Eren is fighting with the Rana, the Titan, the armor Titan. Yes, this fight is boom, woo, boom. What a fist he got on Rana. So now he blocked it. Then the experiments paid off. I can fight him if I have these feats. Oh yes, he surrounded his all might in these feats, I think. Ooh, snap! If I focus my hardening in one place, it gets even stronger. Oh, he focusing his hardening at his face, just like that. Cool. I am able to smash through that armor. He's covered his entire body in like it was thin ice. Thin ice. Just like any do. Rang. Oh! So Rainer is getting higher. Now, oh what? Throw. Too slow. You dumb lump. What? Perhaps. Boom. And then damn it. Oh, Rainer throw Eren just like whoa. Yes, he's throwing Eren. Yeah, he is. See that. Now, boom. We smash Eren. Oh. Eren getting beaten, man. Rainer is too powerful. Boom. Rainer hit Eren. Now fight is going on well. Rainer is also know that trick and he hitting Eren with it. Not yet surrounding first. Oh, so here comes Hanji Sams. Hanji and who is it? Mikasa. Yes, they are all survey cops are surrounding Rainer. I don't know why. Everything is riding on the first attack. We need to be in the perfect position. Oh, first attack. So they are going to attack on Rainer. Most of all, we need to wait and believe that Eren will give us the perfect opportunity. So they want opportunity from Eren. Yes, to attack Rainer. That's a good strategy, Anji. Now this iron rod is our new weapon. What? Iron rod? What is this? Now they are going to flashback about the iron rod. Could you at least call it a spear? The engineering team was able to meet my request. Thanks to new technology, my military police brigade interior squad had kept hidden to them slaves. What I requested was a weapon able to fight against the armored titan. So they discovered the weapon to fight against armored titan. Yeah, the armored titan. Our blades were useless against the armored titan. Yes, they fought with any and the blades are all broke. So now, since our enemy never showed an opening in his hardened armor, all we could do was sit there and watch as Eren fought against him. Yes. Now, blades are broken. You are right. We couldn't even stop him as he ran off with Eren. Yes, in last fight. He ate Eren almost. If the commander hadn't brought a horse of titans along with him that day, then as it stands, the attack we have that seem effective against the armored titan are Eren's chokes and joint locks as a titan, as well as the hardened punch he gained throughout the last month of experience. Yes, hardened punch. Oh, discover a new trick, hardened punch. However, it will be difficult to carry out this mission with those weapons alone. Plugging the hole in the wall is important, but most of all, we have to kill the two that destroy the wall, Rainer and Berthold. Oh, where is Berthold? The colossal titan. So you are saying we are going to stab the armored titan with that spear? Why don't I just show you? Let's go outside. Yeah, they are showing. So now what he does, and they are saying, oh my god, it broke the tree. So its spear is very strong. As you can see, it's like a bolt of thunder, right? That's why I call it the thunder spear. Yes, here comes the thunder spear. But can this really stop that armor? We won't know for sure until we try. And while it works well on slow, dull titans. It has a weakness. For this to get through armor. Which is weakness? We need to do something special first. Ah, yes, they have to do special first. What is special? Yes. Now Eren fighting with Reiner. We are coming back to the live scenes. Damn. Oh damn. Eren threw Reiner. I knew it working alone. I am not going to be able to bite Eren out of his titan. I guess my only choice now is to now. What your choice to kill Eren? Whoa! Here comes Hanji and Mikasa. The soldiers are making a move. I knew that they have been surrounding me, but what can their swords to do me? Every inch of my body is hardened. Those things can't even. They have the thunder spear now, boy. Pooh, pooh, pooh. Right, and their thunder spear. Go and go in the eye of the Reiner. So here Reiner got hit. Why my eyes? Oh. Yeah, boo boo boo, my eyes. Around it, nape has been sprayed. It really the thunder spear work? Yes, man, it's work. Thunder spear work. So now, one more time, fire the thunder spears and finish him off. So now we have to finish our friend Reiner because he became the threat to the humanity. Reiner, you guys. You were appear for this moment to come, right? Let's do this. Oh my god, Jin, you are covered up all, but you get some self-respect from me. So now attack on Reiner. So they goes. Who gone? I think Hanji, Koni, and Sasha. So they are attacking Reiner now. Stab. Oh. What? They threw it. Boom, 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 and it goes in Reiner. Wait. Seek your own justice until the very end. I think so. The Reiner is died in this fight. Yes, we will see in next chapter what happened with the Reiner. So for now, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.